Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we got the break of the wedge, which we achieved yesterday. But based on the price action that's happening right now, I'm a little bit hesitant to believe that this is going to move a lot more. I think we're going to find some buyers here shortly, but we'll get that in the lower time frame. Obviously, we've still got scope to move to the downside, but there's just a few things that I can see which are sort of making me a little bit hesitant. So if we just delete the noise, and then what I want to do is just put this fractional level in here. You can see that swing high, that's the fractional on the daily. And let's come down to the 3 hour quickly. First thing that is concerning me is this interaction at the 150 EMA. Okay, you can see that's 150 EMA on the 3 hour chart. Look at my oscillators, they're grouped to the downside and they have crossed over as well. Still waiting for one set of the oscillators to do, but the one stochastic definitely crossed. And we're also sort of in oversold territory on the stochastic MACD as well. So all of that is telling me to look for a level. Now, we are on a level, being this fractal here, but big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion, especially for this extended period of time. Okay, so that level I drew in on the daily is right here at 22,616. That is an area which I think I would be looking at jumping in a little bit long. Okay, if we look at the hour as well, we've had a trend line break pretty much after hours, though it didn't really happen during training session, and then we've gone sideways. Okay, could argue that the opening bar this morning was a retest of the break. I don't think I'm going to put any effort into that at the moment. So right now what I'm seeing is bob wire. In other words, there's tails to the upside, there's tails to the downside. And I just want to put another level in here. And we are currently in a pretty well-defined range. Okay, that's our range. You can see the level that we're tagging is pretty much in the middle of that range as well. So there are buyers coming in here. Okay, a lot of times what happens now is we get this kind of choppy price action, and the bulls will say, well, okay, it looks like we're going up, and they'll take an early long, and they'll have a stop just below the last swing low. And then what happens is it just squirts down to the daily level and then turns and moves in the opposite direction. Okay, so basically what we're seeing now is a little bit of confusion. So I'm out of any shorts. Got a pretty nice short yesterday, but we're out of those shorts at the moment. And what we want to do now is just wait and see what's going to transpire. You can see on the 12 minutes what I'm talking about when I say barbed wire. It's all over the place. We've got a double bottom here. We've got a pin bar here. Now that's one. That's two signals. Here's another double bottom signal. Inside bar, inside bar. Okay. And here we have another inside bar here. So there's a lot of confusion happening. So I think for me anyway is wait and see. Okay. You can see for as long as these moving averages are flat like this, you can see the stochastic MACD is also flat on the 0 line. There's nothing really happening at the moment. Okay, now the big question is, I'm just going to go to the weekly here. The big question right now is this a rejection on the weekly and start of a bigger leg down, or is it just a 1 bar pullback? You can see we had a 1 bar pullback here, 2 bars up, 1 bar pullback for another move up. Okay, so there's quite a lot happening here, and I think the other area that I'm really interested in as well is these monthly levels, which is pretty much that area there. Okay, so using price action as we are on the lower time frames, what we're looking for to confirm a continuous move to the downside is a close below that fractional level. So this breakout is being retested, but you can see how far it's coming past it. Okay, and there's our next breakout level there, which we didn't quite get to. So when you look at the bigger time frames, it is looking a little bit like this is just a bit of a pullback for another attempt to get to 24,623, which wouldn't surprise me in the least. Okay, because that is more in line with the 61.8 Fibonacci. Okay, so plan for today. I think plan for today is watch what's going to go on in with these fractals, and what I'll be doing is lining up the fractals. This is not quite a fractal yet, okay? There's the fractal. Remember, fractal is made up of 5 bars, 2 to the left, one in the middle, 2 to the right. So that is not a fractal at the moment, and this is the closest fractal. The next closest fractal is the same bar. So the opening bar this morning, so 23,193 to the upside and 22,931 to the downside. 23,193 and 23,931. What the odds of that? Anyway, so those are the two levels that I'm watching. If we do break to the upside here, 23,193, probably an opportunity to be long. And if we do break below 22,931, there is an opportunity for the short, but, and this is a big but here, expect some support at 22,591. Okay, and just want to check the 4 hour as well for any potential levels here. There is a Brooks gap right here, which is 22,821. Okay, so this could just be a bit of sideways and then a continuation, but obviously we're looking for a break below. Okay, if you're brave, you can probably take a short off this breakout, which is 23,193. Sort of hop in short there for a move to the bottom of the range and then potentially a breakout. But I think I'd rather wait for a break either way. Okay, so that's pretty much my view at the moment. The trend is down currently, looking at the 4 hour. So this more than likely looks like consolidation for another leg down. And that would be the most logical choice right now. But being the Dow, logic doesn't always take shape on the longer time frames for shorts. Okay, so yeah. So anyway, so I think the summary this morning is be patient, wait, look for a breakout. If you're going to trade the 12-minute, then trade it when there's volume. So in other words, not now. Trade it when the European session is open and well and truly underway. Then look for your opportunities, or alternatively wait for the US Open to see what's going to transpire. But what you'll be wanting to do is take the breaks of fractal levels. And you can see right now, there is a fractal. This is a fractal that's forming, but it's not a fractal just yet. And there's my other fractal at the moment. So you can see we are sort of wide range into a narrow range. And we're just hovering in the middle of the moving averages, up and down, not really knowing where we're going. So just be patient. Okay. So guys, the continuation short's going to be a break below the low of yesterday. And you may get an opportunity to get long on a break of 23,193. But that break is going to have to be pretty significant because look to the left. Okay, and you can see that was a pretty serious breakout of a level, and these are retests of that level. Okay, so the more logical trade is a move to the downside. But we need a break below 22,931 for that to transpire. Okay, there we go. That's it for me today. A little bit of confusion, but I would strongly suggest you just be patient and watch this structure that's forming here, because it is decent structure. This level here is 23,193 is significant. So if we stay below it much longer, the probability of it moving down is going to be greater. But again, you're looking for a break below 22,931 for confirmation of that. Okay. Anyway, guys, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.